How can I prevent my iPad from being stolen?
Hello, tech lovers. Today, we're going to be discussing an important topic that is close to the heart of every iPad owner: how to prevent your iPad from being stolen. We'll also talk about steps you can take to safeguard your data even if your device does end up in the wrong hands.
How can I physically secure my iPad?
The first line of defense is always physical security. Here are some tips to keep your iPad safe. Never leave your iPad unattended in public places. This may sound obvious, but it's easy to forget. Use a secure iPad case or lock. There are many cases available with built-in locks or cables to secure your device to a heavy or immovable object. Be aware of your surroundings. If you're in a crowded place, keep your iPad close to you and try not to display it openly.
What can I do to secure my iPad digitally?
Even if your iPad is physically stolen, you can still protect the data within it. Here's how. Set a strong passcode. Go beyond the simple 4-digit code. A longer, alphanumeric password will make it harder for thieves to access your information. Enable Touch ID or Face ID. This adds another layer of security by tying access to your unique biometric data. Keep your iPad's software updated. Regular updates often include security enhancements.
How can I use Apple's built-in features to prevent iPad theft?
Apple provides some great built-in features to help secure your iPad and locate it if it's stolen. Enable Find My iPad. This feature allows you to locate your lost device on a map, play a sound on it, display a message, and remotely lock or erase it. Activate Lost Mode. If your iPad is lost or stolen, Lost Mode locks it and displays a message with your contact information. It also keeps track of your device's location.
What should I do if my iPad is stolen?
Despite all precautions, if your iPad does get stolen, don't panic. Here's what to do. Report the theft to the police. They might not be able to recover it, but it's important for official records. Use Find My iPad to track its location. If it's nearby, you may be able to recover it. If it's not, you can at least provide this information to the police. Remotely erase your iPad. If you're unable to recover it, it's best to remove all your data to prevent unauthorized access. We hope these tips help you keep your iPad secure and give you peace of mind when using your device. Remember, physical security, digital security, and prompt action in the event of theft are your best defenses. Stay safe and make the most of your tech.